Your body is the most advanced machine in the known universe, but also one of the weirdest. Did you know your stomach replaces itself every few days so it doesn't digest itself? Or that you're literally glowing in the dark right now, but your eyes just can't see it? From creepy, to fascinating, to downright bizarre, today we're diving into the strangest facts about your body that will make you look at yourself in a whole new way. Fact 1. The stomach that eats itself and survives. Your stomach is so acidic, it could dissolve metal. To protect itself, it creates a brand new lining every 3 to 4 days. Without this constant makeover, your stomach would literally digest itself. Fact 2. You glow in the dark. Humans naturally emit a very faint light, about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. This glow comes from biochemical reactions inside your cells. If our eyes were sensitive enough, we'd see each other shimmering like fireflies at night. Fact 3. Your bones are stronger than steel. Ounce for ounce. Bone is about 5 times stronger than steel. A single cubic inch of bone can bear a load of nearly 8 tons. That's roughly the weight of a large truck. Fact 4. Your brain runs on the power of a light bulb. Even when you're asleep, your brain is buzzing with electrical activity. In fact, it uses about 20 watts of power, similar to a dim light bulb, while processing more information per second than any supercomputer. Fact 5. Your heart can beat outside your body. If removed from the body, a human heart can continue beating for minutes on its own thanks to its own electrical system. It doesn't even need the brain to keep the rhythm going. Fact 6. You're taller in the morning. Gravity compresses your spine during the day. When you sleep, the discs between your vertebrae rehydrate and expand, making you about half an inch taller in the morning compared to bedtime. Fact 7. You shed millions of skin cells daily. Every single day, you lose about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells. Most of the dust in your home? Yep, it's you. Your body is full of mysteries stranger than fiction, stronger than steel, and more complex than any machine ever built. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more weird and wonderful facts about the world and yourself, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Trust me, we're just getting started.